One of the ways we communicate circuits with other people is through what's called a schematic. And so a schematic is a representation of in this case, circuit or design, so that it can be interpreted technically by other people. And so I've labeled this schematic with the three components that we've talked about in a basic circuit. This symbol here represents the source, and so this is where the power is coming from in the circuit. The rectangular box is the load, and so remember the load could be a resistor, it could be a bulb, it could be an LED. And we also have two other loads within this circuit. And we also have the conductive path. And so the conductive path is represented by this line. So we have our conductive path that comes out of the source, goes into the first load, out of the first load, into the second load, out of the second load, into the third load, out of the third load, and connects back to the source. Because this circuit only has one path for the electricity to flow out of the source into load 1, out of load 1 into load 2, out of load 2 into load 3, and back to the source, there's only one path for the electricity to flow. That's called a series circuit. The other type of circuit we'll talk about is a parallel circuit. And so again, I have labeled the three elements of a circuit. In this case, the flow comes out of the source, can go into load number 1, but it can also has a path to go to load number 2. And it also has a path to go to load number 3. All right. And so what this means is if these loads were LED bulbs and we unhooked load number 1, load number 2 and 3 would still have a path for the electricity to flow, so they would still light up. All right, and so that's a parallel circuit. In the series circuit, if we unhooked if these were LEDs, the loads were LEDs, if we unhooked LED or load number 1 and took it out of the circuit, the electricity would not have a path to flow anymore. So that's the difference between a series and a parallel circuit through the schematic drawing.